Hey, it's Mr. Johns. Welcome back to Supercar Collection Simulator. This is day 5. Let's just see what people want to do. What does this mean? When she comes in, what's that mean? Okay, so this is not for betting. Do they just play? Oh, I have a car. I continue. I'm yellow. Okay. How many laps? What is level 3? I have 19 bucks in the bank. I'm so broke. Position 1 of 2. She's losing. Oh, 5 laps. There we go. Okay, interesting. Um, this game could be so much better with better graphics, like actual Hot Wheels car graphics, and the concept is good. I would love a little bit better graphics. So, all right, so I won her car. Oh, she wants to play again. Faunus Black. Speed is questionable. Durability 12. Handling 17. I don't remember what mine is. Oh, hey, I got people. Sorry, I got people. I can't just do that. Sorry about that. That'll be 68.75. This is why I need a cashier, but I can't have a cashier for a while. 68.75. 68.75. Appreciate your patience. Thank you. Have a great day. 1 5-pack. That'll be 13.75 out of cash. Out of 20, it'll be 6.25 back. 5, 6, and 25. Have a great day. 3 5-packs. Good choice today. That'll be 41.25 out of 50. Change back is 8.75. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 75. Okay, a 5-pack and a single. That'll be 15.24. Thank you. Have a great day. 3 5-packs. That'll be 41.25 on credit. 41.25. Perfect. Have a great day. All right, 2 singles, orange and red. Good choice today. 306 out of 10. I owe you 6.94. 5, 6, 75, 85, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you. Have a great day. All right, you're doing the car launcher. Fantastic. And basic box. That'll be 16.93 on credit. 16.93. 16.93. All right, car launcher and a 5-pack. That'll be 16.93. Thank you. 16.93. Have a great day. Okay, we got the car launcher and 4 5-packs. 58.18, please. 58.18. Single, the pink one. Nice choice. It'll be $1.38 out of 2. I owe you 62 cents. 50, 60, 1, 2. Have a great day. Car launcher, 318, please. 318. Okay. All right. I have a. Do I have a minute? Are they racing against each other? Can they do that? I don't. I guess they can. No. Oh, no cars left. Just launchers. So I wonder if I should take a quick break. All right. I'm glad you want a launcher. That's about what I have left. 318. Okay, let's get out of there and go see how this is going. Okay, I can't interrupt. They're just racing. I could hit my... Oh, I probably don't even have to... I'm going to sneeze. I'm going to try not to sneeze. Oh, she left. So I can hit my... I can do an order, though. I do have some money in the bank now, so that's good. I do need... I'm going to see what this is. What is the price history? That's interesting. I don't know what that's all about. I don't have... Oh, I have Fortnite 19. That's about all I have. So let's buy that. Whew, I am almost broke. I am so almost broke. So, oh, hi. Sorry, car launcher. And that is 318. I'm glad you came in today because now I have $9 in the bank. Thank you. So I'm going to bounce out of here. I'm going to go out to the sidewalk. I'm going to pick up. Luckily, there's no thieves. I'm going to open and I'm going to There you go, ma'am. See? Look, check it out. I have cars. I have cars. I'm going to sell a box. Okay, you'd like a starter? Excellent. That'll be 318. 318. Thank you. Car packs. 5 car packs. All right, 5 car packs. That'll be 41.25. 41.25. And yes, I'm looking at the clock out of the corner of my eyes going, it's 9 o'clock. Yes. It's been a day. 3. All right, that'll be 41.25, please. And I owe you 18.75. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 75 cents. Thank you. 5-pack. I need to close the shop. Okay. Sorry. 13.75 out of 20. I owe you 6.25. Have a wonderful day. Okay, let's close the shop for the day. Whew. Okay, we did all right, I think. Let's take a look at the day. First of all, let's pay our rent. Okay. Take care of that first. And I have $50 left. Let's look at stats. Okay, found great models. Couldn't find the product I was looking for. That might have been when they came in. I didn't have any cars. Okay. So what else is worth looking at? I can't do any. What is this? Store manager area. I can. What? What's this mean? I can make it bigger? Ooh. Okay. I was wondering if I should call this Supercar Hot Wheels Racing. Hot Wheels Cars. Supercar Hot Wheels Car. No, I mean, Supercar Toy Cars. It's just kind of what it is. It's not that catchy, but Supercar Toy Cars. Supercar Toys. Supercar Toy Store. I already said toy cars twice. Toy Store. Supercar Toy Store. Yeah, that's pretty good. We're going to change the name. I can't afford any upgrades there. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it with 50 bucks left. Oh my gosh, 50 bucks left. What can I even afford? Nothing. Nothing. Some launchers. Let's keep those going. Let's see how that would be 36. I could probably do one more. Nope, I can't. So let's purchase. If we're going to be broke, let's be $14 in the bank broke. But that does mean tomorrow I'll have more launchers to sell. And maybe that's not a good thing because I'm not sure how well they're selling. Maybe I should maybe I should lower the price of those because they were kind of high anyway. So market price is 285. If I ask 286, that's the going price. I can sell those. They did not blow off the shelf. The shelf is full, and I think I have one more left in the box, which means I have to maybe throw this over there. Does not look good. So, all right, well, interesting. I raced my first race and won. Oh, I should look at the collection because I won that car. It's not as good as mine, but it's in my collection now. That is kind of interesting. You are trying to maybe collect all the cars or the rarest cars, maybe. And maybe that is the goal. Supercar collection simulator. And I'm trying to. I thought I'm a store, but maybe it's both. So interesting. So anyway, that was day 4 and 5. I did nothing on 4 and made some progress on 5 with my first racing table that you can't bet on. So the next one would be a betting table, which I don't know. Maybe that's how you make money in this game. So, and in this business. All right. Store is closed. We're going to shut her down and come back on day 6. Thanks for joining me. Pick this game up. Kind of fun. I'll catch you tomorrow. For now, though, Mr. Johns is out.